Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Will We Make It? It's Cosmo here, and I'm back from my vacation, back from my luxury $1 million beach house, which was more NFT than reality. But what a week in crypto we've had. I'm going to go over my portfolios for the week and what I've got planned for this week coming up, and just take a look at the crypto because it is on a nice little run right now. So let's take a look, shall we? All right, I've got my stash pulled up, and yeah, look at this. A significant improvement from last week. I believe we were at, well, right around 480, 460, something like that. Now I'm sitting at 575. That's mainly because, well, basically the tech stocks, really. We had a big boost on that. If you can go down here, we're pretty much positive all across the board, except for my retail management. But it is what it is. Can't get them all. So again, I'm going to put dollar cost average in this Wednesday, and actually, what I'm going to do is I'm actually selling my smart portfolio, because basically a smart portfolio is just for people that are looking for more of a low risk, because they focus on bonds and ETFs and stuff like that. So me personally, I'm looking to go more aggressive. So, I'm going to go ahead and sell my smart portfolio. I'm still going to keep maybe $10 in there just to keep it going for a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and sell that and then take the profits from that and put it into crypto. Yes, I am all in on crypto. I am looking forward to Ethereum. Ethereum, I believe, is coming up with Ethereum 2.0. There are certain exchanges that are already allowing you to stake your Ethereum in an effort to, when Ethereum 2.0 becomes available, you can go ahead and get it. So it'll automatically transfer over. You don't have to purchase something separately. So I am going ahead and taking my smart portfolio, and I'm just going to go ahead and invest it in that. And going forward, I do want to talk about some news that's going on in the world. Russia's got these sanctions going on, and how is Putin going to get away? Sidestep this. How are they going to get away from avoiding these sanctions? Well, guess what? Russia's considering accepting Bitcoin for oil and gas. So there's no regulation on cryptocurrency. This is a great way for him to sidestep the sanctions. Russia still gets paid, and they're not affected by the sanctions. So this is another catalyst for cryptocurrency as well. Although I don't know how positive it is, but it is definitely a catalyst nonetheless. Also in Brazil, they're accepting payments, cryptocurrency for payments for your taxes. So this is just showing how more countries are adopting cryptocurrency. It's becoming more available. It's being more accepted, and the adoption is, it's growing. And that's big, because if we can go back and check the charts, the last 7 days, we've been all in the positive. So, and another thing I want to go over is, check this out. Look at this battle right here for the 40th spot. You got Sandbox, Axie Infinity, and ApeCoin just going. And ApeCoin just got released 2 weeks ago, and it is already up to the 43. And these two are just battling. These three are just battling it out. So it's kind of exciting to see which one will come out on top. And then the next one will be to take the leader in the metaverse, Mana, Decentraland Mana. So, it's good to keep a track of that. I am invested in the Sandbox and Mana. I do have some ApeCoin, and I basically have all of these, really. More so Mana, because I think it is. I just believe that one's going to be better. But it's good to diversify because, not all may come out and be successful. So, you kind of want to don't put all your eggs in one basket. So, also, Goldman Sachs just broke ground on Wall Street with Bitcoin's options trade. Now, this is really big because Goldman Sachs is a major financial institution and they are basically offering option trades on cryptocurrency. This is huge. So I think this is a great opportunity for cryptocurrency to, grow. Like I said, it goes back to adaptation. When there's more utility, people begin to accept it more. It's just gonna grow, and it's gonna grow. And if you're invested in it, your money's gonna grow right along with it. That's my belief. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm simply just showing you what I am doing, and you can follow me along at your own risk. But do your own research. I've gone ahead and done this research for you. This is the latest news that's coming out now. So, as I said, going forward, I'm going to go ahead and sell my smart portfolio and put it into Ethereum. And I am going to continue to dollar cost average in on my regular stocks in my personal portfolio, which is mainly the NVIDIA, Pepsi Cola, Tesla, and also Tesla is getting ready to start off with possibly a 5-to-1 stock split. So they are considering that. The board has already approved it, and they're just waiting on the public to vote on it, the stockholders. So, if they go ahead and do a split, 5-to-1 split, that could be definitely beneficial. So I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in on my stocks. So, but that's all I've got. That's basically what's going on for the week. Thanks again for watching this video. Please hit that like button so it can get out there and you can spread the word about the Cosmo crew. If you're interested, you can sign up for Stash and get $20 of free stock by signing up with my link down below. And I will catch you next time. Peace.